Hi everyone, my name is Roshni, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing my special self care routine that I do at least twice a month at home. That includes pre shower, shower, and post shower routine from hair care to mani pedi and facial at home. So, if that sounds fun, keep on watching and let's get started. First up, I'm using gua sha to induce blood circulation on my scalp, combing through the crown area to downwards in each section. The process that I'm gonna show you is very raw and realistic that I usually go for. Next, I'm prepping to get rid of my facial hair using Himalayas aloe vera gel and a facial razor. Applying gel onto my face, I'm stretching my cheeks and start raising off from side left to down right. And in downwards motion on my upper lip, chin, nose, and head. I usually get rid of these facial hairs at least once in 2 weeks, so there's not much hair right now. And I love to maintain a clean face. And side right to down left on my left cheeks, and in sweeping movement adjust the area under the eyes and in downwards motion on my neck. And now I'm roughly shaping my eyebrows off with the help of the razor. And now with the help of the plucker, I'm plucking off the extra fine hair using the scissor to trim the extra long hair and shape my eyebrows. And that's how I'm done with the facial hair cleanup. Now I'm cooling off my face with the ice roller, and that is so relaxing, you guys. Look at that glow. Done with the ice rolling. Now let's proceed to treat hair. Today I'm gonna be using curd with mustard oil as a hair spa. This mixture is a natural hair conditioner which helps in hair growth, and now I'm going to start applying it onto my scalp. Just massaging the mixture all over, and now I will tie my hair into the bun. While I'll let it sit onto my scalp, I'm heading up next for manicure and pedicure. And for that, I'll be using this VLCC's kit. Into the bucket goes the hot water. I've mixed cold water with hot to make it into a warm. Starting off with the cleanser into the warm water, and I let my feet rest into the mixture for 5-10 minutes, and just cleaning my hand and feet together. Now, with the help of this scrubber, I'm scrubbing away the dead skin from my heels. This almond cuticle oil to induce softness to cuticles. Once applied, I'll be mixing this up onto my cuticles. Next up is this hand and foot scrub. It has a mixture of walnut and lemongrass, which is just right for removing dirt and giving my feet a very nice scrub. Rinsing off this product and wipe it away. After scrubbing, I'm applying this hand and foot cream all over my skin for nourishment. Taking the ample amount of this cream and massage it all across till it gets absorbed onto my skin. Now, with the help of the tools, I am removing the extra dead skin from my cuticles. This is gonna look nasty, so I'll skip it recording and do the rest of my nails off camera. This is the VLCC's hand and foot anti-tan pack that has orange. It will help in lightening the tanned skin, applying its thin layer, and while I leave it for some minutes, I'm moving on with the next process. With the same pedicure process, I'm gonna be manicuring my hands. After scrubbing, I will be raising off these hairs from my hands. I am long overdue to go for my laser hair appointment. So I just raise off at home sometimes, and today in this video I'm doing it in front of you. Applying the shower gel, and I'm raising off from up to down. Coming back to manicuring my cuticles, and then I'm applying this anti-tan pack. And leave it for 10 minutes. It's time to rinse off the pack from both my hands and feet. Now, under the running shower, I am just removing off the curd mask from my hair before shampoo. This is L'Oreal Professional's Absolute Repair Sulfate Free Shampoo. I've been using this range for more than 4 months now. It helps in repairing the hair damage from molecular level by re-injecting the peptides into the hair fiber. This rinse off serum from the same range. Now these are more than just surface repair, but our inner hair molecular repair range has 5 amino acids and 2 peptides bonder. I'm into regular heat styling hair too, so this range works best for me. Using Ego coconut shower gel, this is the best body wash I've ever used. Best for all skin types, gives an adequate moisture to my body. Using this floral body lotion by Dear Body. This is called Charms Life and it smells amazing and fresh as lily. It is so essential to moisturize your whole body, so I do it on daily basis just after shower. Using Nivea roll-on, it's the best. I've been using it for ages now. Best for underarm fragrance. Next, I'm applying this heat protectant slash leave-in conditioner by L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair. I'm applying it all over my hair strands, and since my hair is wet right now, so I'll just tie it up and proceed with the next steps with the skincare. Before proceeding further, let me grab onto some fruit bites. Next, I'm gonna be doing facial with this VLCC's Bridal Glow Facial Kit. So let's start. It has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C, which are perfect for removing dirt, blemishes, and giving that extra radiance glow up. First step is this cleanser, face to neck for 1 minute. I'm cleansing away. Step 2 is the micro scrub polisher. I'm gently massaging this on my face and neck in circular sweeping inward outward movements for 5-7 minutes. This is so satisfying, you guys. It'll help in unclogging pores and deep cleaning the skin. Next up, with the same movements that I did with the scrubbing, using this massage cream, I'll be gently massaging my face and neck till the cream is absorbed onto my skin. My only agenda of using this facial kit is to get a brighter, smoother, hydrated, and illuminated face. And with this massaging movements, it's gonna make my face tighter and plump. Next step is the radiance boosting mask, taking the required amount and applying its thin layer onto my face and neck. I'm gonna be leaving this mask for 10-15 minutes. The mask is all dried up. With the help of wet towel, I am removing the mask from my face and neck. This is the Glow Up Facial Kit that is best for brightening and illuminating the skin. It comes with the illuminating serum. Applying it onto my face has just given me a dewy glow. Look at the glow. I love this facial. It's just perfect to get that glow for any festive or wedding occasion. The last step is the finishing stroke creams. It has rose and lilac tint illuminator. I'm using the lilac strobe cream and apply it as a last step onto my face, and look at that glow already. I'm just loving this kit. It has given me that radiance and the glow boost already. My hair is almost dried up. Now I'm reapplying the heat protectant by L'Oreal Professional, and using the blow dryer, I'm drying up my hair that's left off. I'm sectioning my hair so that I can start off with the final blow dry process. First, I'll start with the hair from the down, and I'm splitting into two parts, and using the blow dryer and round hairbrush I'm going to straighten my hair with the help of this blow dryer. Now I'm not a pro at it, but that's how I do it. It just gives a natural straightened hair. I mostly go for air drying, but I thought why not go for blow drying today in front of you guys. So done with the lower hair. Now I'm going with the crown area and make it into two parts again, splitting and sectioning here, and section wise I'm just blow drying and straightening it into downwards motion. Now the last step to here is using serum. This Treseme's Ultra Gloss Serum is the best for that, to lock in moisture. Serums add that extra shine and moisture to the hair, and it is an essential step in the hair care routine. And that's how I'm done with my self care routine day. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next video.